Welcome back to the channel, guys. The Flames of Firewood here. Today's not going to be a very long video, but I'm just going to sharpen the Pro Yama chainsaw and take you along with us. So what I do is I just mark one of the teeth with a Sharpie. I got a Dremel here. And just like that, that is the entire chain good sharp. That's just going to be a wrap for today's video. I know it wasn't long, but I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day.